NDC further demands that the Akufo-Addo government, as a matter of urgency, should fully account for all items seized as listed at paragraph 801 of the 2020 budget statement presented to the August House of Parliament. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, if you check paragraph 801 of the 2020 budget statement, it states that government, as at the time, had seized 900 excavators, not 500, but 900. And here, those of you who may not understand what an excavator is, we are talking about caterpillar. Maybe that will help you understand. 500 caterpillars are missing, but we were told that 900 have been seized at paragraph 801 of the budget statement of 2020 presented to Parliament. Also, it is indicated there that a total of 2,779 weapons and ammunitions have been seized from illegal miners, and 4,045 other mining equipment confiscated from illegal miners have also been seized. We are demanding that government accounts for all these seized items, and also, in the spirit of transparency and to the benefit of Ghanaians, hold a public exhibition of these seized items. They should put the seized items out, even if they have stolen 500, or they have rented the 500 to illegal miners, top MPP officials, John Boadu, Ekuawusi, and foreigners to do Galamsey and plunder our environment. No problem. 500 and 900 minus 500 is 400. They should exhibit the 400 remaining caterpillars. Let me say it like that. They should exhibit the 2,779 weapons and ammunitions. They should exhibit the other 4,045 seized mining equipment for all of us to see.